Hello everyone, welcome to USELUCK Door. Today we want to talk about this incredible steel security door. And let's go for details. Let's look at this part. First, the handle can be moved both front side, and this door has a bolt design for added security performance. And what about hinges? This hinges has a priving-proof design. Even if the visible hinges is damaged, the door body will naturally tightly embedding this screw, and it can be opened anyway. And this door has a thickness of 70 millimeters, providing you with the ultimate noise insulation for peaceful and quiet life. That's not all. The surface of this door has a durable and some protective craft that won't fade easily.